Hi, now we're going to do a little demonstration. I'm going to have Carly here, who's 14 years old, remove two lug nuts that have each been tightened to 100 foot-pounds, which is the highest reading on the torque wrench that I have.
The end of the wrench handle has a special tip so I can pry off the hubcap.
We'll start with the top nut on the front wheel of my car. First, I'll tighten it up with the torque wrench. As you can see, the dial reads 100 foot-pounds. Note that each nut has a nut on either side which can be used to position the inner socket. This allows the user various options for positioning the tool.
To loosen this nut, I'm placing the end socket on it. At the same time, I'm putting the inner socket on the adjacent nut to its left. First, I pull upward on the wrench handle until I hear the ratchet click. Then, I push downward to begin loosening the nut and repeat the ratcheting as needed to loosen it enough for me to unscrew it with my fingers.
Good.